everything bolted up, ready to drop it in. Sean's racking the car right now. I'm hyped, super hyped. Let's go up, baby. I know this is what you've all been waiting for, but considering the times, we've had to make do with what we've had. But now we're going racing, man. So we're going to Chicago. Well, we're going to Autobahn Country Club, which is in Joliet, which is like 40 minutes from south of Chicago. It's a private racetrack out in the country. It's like a 4-mile long racetrack. Really, really dope facility. Really cool people that run it. And of course, we're being able to reunite with our Grid Life family. So we're excited to see everybody. That was risky. Risky business, baby.
It was in the air already.
Right.
Just to get it off the floor for what we need.
Turn this out of the way.
Yeah. Grab everything and tuck it out inside.
So that should be good. Bam. Clutch line. Throw that down there.
Let's put this bitch in. Get it in there. Send it home.
Let's do it.
Put it in its hole.
Let's do it. All right, she is in, boys. Yeah. We did it, baby. So hard.
Fix that power steering line. It's not dripping.
Bam, pan clears, no problem. Sergio did an excellent job. Look at that. Bam. I'll go up.
I need one of those fucking...
So yeah, look what you did. You did that. You did that. You did that. Yeah, we're just gonna notch that a little bit, just with the flap disc. But other than that, it's primo. It's primo. Yup. Cherry.
Is that sir?
Yeah.
you look at how fat you look. You look fat. It's not a good angle, though. It's not a good angle for you.
I just left the gym, dog.
That's right.
Get so
on the top. There we go. There we go. Look at that.
Bam. Plenty.
Got a little file on there.
Plenty. It goes 1 and 2.
Just going through everything,
3 and
running
4,
the
5 and
harness,
6.
running the water lines. Trying to remember how our wastegate plumbing went. It's always a fun one to remember, but dude, looking good. Looking good. So everything is pretty much done. Got everything together. Just waiting for Sean to get here for the power steering water pump belt. Just got to put the little brackets on for the coil packs. Attach the steering shaft. And should be ready to fire up. Thank you to Danny. And Carrie. And Sean. Well, remember, we're just going to run the one can and run a line to the pan.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yep. But yeah. A little nervous. I tightened down some very important things. So Hopefully I did it right. But I'm confident. It should be the best one yet. Should be the best one yet. Phew. You know you like that. We are ready to fire. Just gotta, well, we gotta bleed the clutch first. Then we'll be ready. What'd you do? Oh my gosh, don't call it that. Damn, I'm pretty good. Oh, get back in the saddle.
Get this little grit in.
You get gritted? Fully gritted? Look at that window, it's gross.
Yeah.
Like that cigarette. Oh, shit. Woo! Where's his little face at? Where's his little face? He's up there. He's right underneath my baby face we saw. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let me know when you're ready, Sean. Holding. Holding.
Alright, go pump.
Holding.
Oh, right in my fucking eye.
That did get in his face. You okay?
It burns. Like jizz does. Alright, pump that shit.
That feels pretty good. Yeah. You can do it one more time if you want.
I'm gonna do one last.
Go ahead.
Fuck that. Shit. Alright.
Okay. Yep. Cherry.
You fucking see that? It burns. Fucking burns.
You got oil in it?
Yeah.
Slow. Yeah.
We don't need that on for startup anyway, right?
No. So she fired up, but we're not getting oil pressure signal to the dash. So we're gonna crack the lines, make sure that there's oil coming out of there or the oil sensor, pressure sensor is bad.
Not as strong as I used to be. It's got oil in there for sure. It's fucking super tight.
You know why? Because I tightened it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
When did you do that?
I don't know. So there's no oil.
Why not?
It's not, it's probably...
Are they reversed over on that side?
No, I don't think so.
Look at.
Because the two lines that go there are two different lengths. So one's going to be shorter and won't reach to the longer AM fitting.
That's true. One's super long and it goes over there.
Mm-hmm. Do you have enough oil in this bitch?
Check it again.
Check it again.
I don't even know how much you put in there.
I put a whole gallon in. 5 quarts.
Probably need more than that.
No, it's got oil.
It's got oil.
They're on backwards, most likely.
I'll flip them.
Right, because oil's supposed to come out of this side.
Yeah, it's supposed to fill up through there because it fills up. Where's the oil?
Hmm?
Give us a hand.
That's what I don't think, because it's supposed to fill up on the outside.
I'm on vacation.
No, you're not on vacation. Let's go.
And fill up to the inside.
Yeah, I think he's right. The oil's coming out of here.
Out of what?
Out of the middle.
Because when it fills up, it's supposed to fill up
good
on
or
the
bad?
outside to push down the gasket that's in there.
Yeah,
If it fills up to the center, it's gonna
It's got to
seal.
filter it through it.
Yeah.
So it's only coming through the center?
Yeah, it's coming up to the
Oh,
center.
yeah. You got it lined backwards.
So I gotta flip those two out.
Thank you. He's actually a really happy person.
Piece in?
Not a lot, but it's dripping.
Well, as long as there was some oil in there. All right, lines flip. Oil pressure at 85. Styling. So what we're doing right now is we're going to bleed the cooling system with rear mount. You always want to jack up the car as high as you can because you want this to be your highest point to try to force all the air out of it. They have a tendency to be a real pain than your conventional. I mean, even if you have a front mount radiator, you still want to usually park at a slope, but with a rear mount, because you have all your lines, you have all these high points. So we're just doing that. It seems to be working really well so far. 121, solid.
Gotta make that line still.
Yeah. So I just got on the phone with Andrew Molina. He's my engine builder, tuner. He wants me to kind of cruise it around the block, kind of break it in a little bit, not drive on it too hard, but kind of run it through the gears. No, I'm just gonna cruise it. Give me a push.
Alright, you need to calm down there, partner.